Once upon a time, in a distant village named Liuyi, nestled amidst the towering mountains of ancient China, a group of villagers lived in perpetual fear of potential invaders. The constant threat loomed over their homes and fields, casting a shadow of uncertainty and trepidation. Frustrated and weary of this perpetual state of anxiety, the villagers collectively turned to their revered elder, Master Wu, seeking a solution to ensure their safety and prosperity. Master Wu, a venerable scholar well-versed in the arts of warfare and strategy, pondered the predicament of his fellow villagers. After much contemplation, he presented a visionary and audacious idea: the construction of a colossal wall that would span across the formidable mountains, serving as an impregnable shield against potential invaders. The prospect of a more secure future filled the villagers with hope and determination. Under the leadership of Master Wu, the villagers embarked on an ambitious construction project that would transform their humble abode into a fortress of resilience. Day and night, they toiled tirelessly, hauling massive stones and meticulously shaping them into an imposing barrier. The challenges were abundant. Treacherous terrain and unforgiving weather tested their mettle. Yet, their collective resolve and unwavering commitment never faltered. As the monumental wall began to take shape, it mirrored the growing sense of unity and purpose among the villagers. Each stone bore witness to their shared struggle and determination. To immortalize their journey, the villagers engraved symbols of strength, resilience, and prosperity onto the surface of the wall. It ceased to be merely a physical barrier. It became a living testament to the indomitable spirit of a united community. News of Liuyi's ambitious undertaking spread like wildfire, reaching neighboring villages grappling with similar threats. Emissaries from these communities flocked to Liuyi, eager to learn from the village's success. Soon, a network of walls emerged, connecting villages and forming an extensive line of defense against potential invaders. Generations passed, and Liuyi underwent a remarkable transformation. No longer a vulnerable hamlet, it flourished into a thriving town, its success attributed to the courage and ingenuity of its people. The once humble village became renowned throughout the land, celebrated for its pivotal role in the creation of the Great Wall of China, a symbol not just of local strength, but of the entire country's resilience. Today, as visitors traverse the length of the Great Wall, they encounter the ancient engravings crafted by the villagers of Liuyi. These enduring symbols narrate the tale of a community that, against all odds, erected a monumental structure that transcended time, a poignant reminder of the extraordinary achievements possible when a community unites in purpose and determination. The Great Wall of China, with its storied engravings, stands as a testament to the triumph of the human spirit through unity and collective endeavor.